आप देख रहे हो जनमत की पुकार। कांग्रेस नेता रणदीप सिंह सुरजेवाला ने आज संसद के शून्यकाल में केंद्र सरकार की संचार साथी ऐप को लेकर एक बड़ा विवाद खड़ा कर दिया है। उन्होंने आरोप लगाया है कि यह ऐप मोदी सरकार द्वारा नागरिकों पर जबरन निगरानी थोपने का एक प्रयास है और यह नागरिकों की निजता के मौलिक अधिकार पर सीधा हमला है। सुरजेवाला ने सरकार से सीधे और स्पष्ट जवाब मांगते हुए कहा कि देश निगरानी राज्य नहीं चाहता बल्कि नागरिकता की निजता चाहता है। कांग्रेस नेता रणदीप सिंह सुरजेवाला की पूरी बात सुनिए।
श्रीमान रणदीप सिंह सुरजेवाला।
थैंक यू सर। सर, निजता के अधिकार की अवहेलना को लेकर एक महत्वपूर्ण विषय मैं सदन के और आपके संज्ञान में लाना चाहता हूं। Government of India Ministry of Communication has purportedly issued an order whereby all cell phone manufacturers and importers of cell phones are compulsorily obliged to upload Sanchar Sathi app. It is also directed that this app has to be pushed into every cell phone and smartphone. And thirdly, it cannot ever be deleted or altered in any manner by the user. Sir, this is a clear breach of privacy of every smartphone and cell phone users of India. A clear apprehension is that the features of the app would point out real-time geolocation of every user, monitoring of the search history, conducting of every transaction, including a credit card financial transaction by every cell phone user, and a possible monitoring of conversations, SMSs, WhatsApps. Would this not completely negate the right of privacy of every individual? And a possible kill switch, sir, will turn every cell phone into a brick. If the government then wants, then every cell phone of every journalist, every opposition leader, every dissident, it will become a pure simple brick by use of a kill switch. Sir, the grave and serious apprehension is also every app can have a backdoor or every app is possibly hacked. I will like to bring it to the notice of Leader of the House. If that happens, then all passwords, all information, all bank account numbers, all personal information of every user stored on the cell phone becomes suspectable either with a government agency or a hacker, both in this case. Sir, it also can possibly give a hacker full device control. Look at the implications it is fraught with. Also, sir, it leaves millions of devices exposed for months, for it depends on an upgrade that would be pushed by the government. To give you an example, government pushes an upgrade, Samsung doesn't do it for 3 months. For 3 months, all cell phones of that make will be susceptible to be hacked by any hacker in any manner whatsoever, completely compromising the data of every single person. So the government must clarify the legal authority for mandating a non-renewable app and push a compulsory
Please conclude.
software updates.
Please.
And disclose what independent
Please conclude.
security audit and safeguards and misuse prevention mechanism are in
Please
place
conclude.
apart from the
Sri
stakeholders
Niranjan Bishi.
consultation. Sir, this is a matter of grave
Sri Niranjan Bishi.
जय जगन्नाथ।
and must
अगर आपने हमारा अभी तक चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो कृपया चैनल सब्सक्राइब कर लें, लाइक करें, शेयर करें, कमेंट करें। तो मिलते हैं फिर किसी और खबरों के साथ। नमस्कार।